Namaskara. My name is Lakshmi Madalli. I am at present living in Godrej Royalwood Banyan and Manasum. My schoolmates, we were about 1978 batch in KVM. We got, after 40 years of separation from school and everybody we got together through Facebook, and we were planning for, our kids had all gone abroad, all of them were out of India. So we had a common plan, okay, let's buy a land somewhere in Devanahalli and build a independent house and we'll all be together for rest of our lives. But for some reason, it didn't work out because most people are still working and so on. I was suggested by one of my KVM friends and given this address and link, and I asked me to look at this place before I do any investment. So I came here. The first time I saw the place, I fell in love with this. I was planning to buy a 1-bedroom apartment. Then I went and told my husband, this is what I'm doing. He said, okay, let me come and see. He came and saw the place. He fell in love with this place. So we decided to buy a 2-bedroom. And right now we are quite well, settled. So what is good about this place? I had a very independent house with a garden. I was doing a lot of gardening. I had a big family, son, daughter, mother-in-law, and I was doing very well actually. And I was growing my own vegetables and so on. So why did I want to come here? Very soon when I realized that my children have flown away, they've gone away. One of my child is in the US, the other one is going to probably leave home. The first thing I realized is I'm not able to cook for just 2 people. It's very difficult to cook when you're cooked for 6 people. So that was very difficult for me. And I may not have a garden of my own, but this entire place is my garden. The entire people, there are 15 families right now, they are my family now. And I don't feel the loneliness. I can pursue my passion because there's 6 hours of free time in which I used to do my cooking, my shopping, my vegetable shopping, all that is gone. My husband is jealous of me now. He's not joined me yet. He'll be very soon joining me. He is so jealous that I don't even have to wash my plates here. I don't have to cook. I'm actually better off in this place rather than managing an independent house with garden and so on, which was becoming difficult at this age and so on. So I would say that this is one of the best place for people above 60 and who can, they have a tension-free life, stress-free life. Since I'm a musician, for me, I think age is just a number. I'm sure it's so with other professions too, but at least particularly in music, age is just a number. Though I have started my passion long time ago, I'm getting more time to sort of look into it more deeper, get into my profession more deeper, and I'm a teacher as well, I'm a performer also. So it's helping me a lot that so much of time I have now to think about what I want to do and where. There is no place that I want to reach, but at least I'm pursuing my interest, which itself is by itself a satisfaction. And this place is extremely conducive for such a, thought. And for this, I would be really grateful to Manasum for having provided such a service. And Godrej Royalwood Banyan is where I stay, 6th tower, where Manasum is handling the. And I just love the food here. I like the environment. I like the people. It's just a question of, you may say you have got to make new friends, but at this age, that is what is really required. When you have, all your children, relatives and so on flown away from home, you need people around you to talk a little bit and then you can pursue your own passion. So I feel that this place will take me to far off, more than what I dreamt and more than what I imagined.